What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So we have yet another direct offering by Nano Dimension. I also wanted to make this follow up to last night's video because I just wanted to make that video just like as a notification, a heads up like, hey, this offering is going to happen at market open. So if you guys wanted the opportunity to get it around $5, that's why I put that video out there. And hopefully if you guys were looking for that, you did indeed get it at around, $5.40, $5.50 a share. I also wanted to let you guys know that I am affiliated with WEBULL now. So if you're trying to get free shares in Nano Dimension or any other stock for that matter, all you have to do is go down in the description, click on the link and open an account and you'll get 2 free shares. And I think at the time of this recording up until December 13th, you'll get 2 additional shares if you deposit up to $100 in the account. So you get a total of 4 shares for free and you don't have to spend your $100. So once you get your stocks, you can sell them and do whatever you want with it. So overall, if you're looking for free stocks, this is a win-win for everyone. This one is for $60 million at $5 per American Depository share. This comes out to about 12 million shares in American Depository shares. This prospectus was to raise up to $200 million. And on top of that, we did get another $10 million addendum to the F3 filing that we saw in mid-October. So with all the money raised, I do believe this brings the direct offerings that they were seeking to a close for the rest of the year. Now, I could be wrong. It seems to be that every time they do an offering, the price seems to just like skyrocket on the stock market, and then they test the market and do another offering. This does close the possibilities of, doing another offering, at least in the short term. I did also mention that we could have seen the offering at $5. This was just based off previous history in the offerings. First, we saw $2, and then we saw $3, and then $4. So what's next? It was indeed a possibility that they could have just waited for the price to, run up even higher, maybe offer it at $6 a share. But just like us investors, I don't think Nano Dimension was trying to be greedy about it. They just wanted to, raise the money, get it over with. At least now they have it, and now they can do things with it. Now, I don't want to speculate on who Nano Dimension is going to acquire or what companies could possibly be acquiring or merging with Nano Dimension. I've had comments saying that they're going to try and buy out Nscript. I did also get a comment of someone saying that Desktop Metal could possibly acquire Nano Dimension. If you guys leave comments like this, please leave your sources so that way at least I can look into the background and, do a little bit more reading. I don't want to put anything on here just because the platform is getting bigger with almost 4,000 subscribers. I do want to get as much accurate information as possible. So yeah, definitely leave your sources. But anyways, I'm sure you guys want to know what's happening in terms of stock price. Again, I really don't think the intraday things are going to matter just because now they have the money. Now we just have to wait for them to do something with it. So at this point, the stock can do whatever it wants. I personally believe it is going to stay above $5 at this point. So this is just something that you guys could expect. If it gets close to $5, this would be an ideal place to buy it. And if you guys want to look at the offering, I will leave a link in the description if you want to read this. It's not very long. It really is just what's on the screen. So you could pause it here if you'd like. So anyways, let's look at some charts, guys. So on the chart, I did end up marking the $5 offering. This was for November 30th or today. So we see that the market ended up gapping down all the way to $5.66. It slowly but surely made its way back to the $7 area to retest the market. And we have since been trading in this little range between $6 and $6.30. And the reason I have these marked in dashed lines is because I do think these are like not very significant areas of support just because we've traded here several times already. The previous high back in October 16th of this year, and then us trading through it in November of this year, just 11 days ago before the $4 offering. And then here we are yet again today on November 30th for a third and fourth time. So I think at least in the medium term, at least for this week, we are going to be trading between $5.66 and $7. If we trade below it, we want to see strong support at $5. And if we break above $7, we want to see a close. As you can see this note that I left here, a close above this level would be very bullish for Nano Dimension. Just based on price action, we already know that the sentiment is very bullish surrounding Nano Dimension, but we want to see a little bit more conviction above $7. And while it's a little bit hard to grasp, the less that Nano Dimension does come in stock price, the less risky it technically becomes because now you're getting it at an even better price. If we see price falling strictly because of price action and nothing fundamentally has changed, this could be a very good opportunity to buy it even cheaper. Like I said, I don't see it coming under $5 a share, but I could be wrong. So here's the same chart, but on a 4-hour candlestick chart. So each of these sticks is 4 hours of time. This is just to zoom out, just so you guys can get a better, clear picture of what's happening in the market. And I can easily say that between $5.66 and $7 is going to be a very easy area to range. sideways before we see any breakouts to the up or downside. So I guess if you are a swing trader, this could be a nice range to day trade in. That's not what I'm going to be doing. I'm just saying, you know, if that's what you're into, then go ahead, go for it. But overall, that's what I see with this offering. The 60 million we raised yesterday, plus the 100 million that we closed just like 10 or 11 days ago, plus the other 50 million that we got in the end of October, early November. That adds up to a grand total of $210 million. That aligns with the prospectus that Nano Dimension did release in late October. If they do raise any more money, depends how much they're going to dilute shareholders and the offering price, but I really don't see it happening just because they are sitting on $200 million in cash. It's a lot of money. So overall, we just have to wait and see what happens at this point. In terms of price action for the week, guys, it's probably going to move sideways. We could see it drop down to $5 just to test the offering price. But if anything does happen, I do see it breaking out on the upside yet again. And the signal is going to be a close and a retest at around $7. So definitely look for that in price, guys. But overall, that is it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you learned something from this video, please go ahead and hit that like button, and you should even consider subscribing to the channel. And don't forget to hit that bell notification to get notified when I make videos just like this one. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.